How much time do you really need to invest every day to become a freelancer? Most people think kailangan mong mag-aral ng 8 hours a day. Honestly, you don't. If you're working full-time or studying, 1 to 2 focused hours every day is enough. Notice I said focused. Hindi 2 hours na habang nagso-scroll sa Facebook. Hindi 2 hours na mayat-maya chine-check ang phone. Real, uninterrupted work. Because 1 focused hour is worth more than 4 distracted hours. Kung ako ang magsisimula ngayon, hahatiin ko ang oras ko. 30 minuto para mag-improve ng isang high-income skill. 30 minutes para gumawa ng portfolio or practice projects. At 30 to 60 minutes para mag-send ng quality proposals or mag-reach out sa potential clients. Hindi complicated, pero consistent. Maraming beginners ang naghahanap ng perfect schedule. Pero ang totoo, hindi schedule ang problema, consistency. Mas okay ang 70 minuto every day kaysa 10 oras isang beses sa isang linggo. Kasi freelancing isn't a sprint, it's a long-term game. Remember this. Hindi mo kailangan ng mas maraming oras, kailangan mo ng mas maraming intentional hours. Start with what you have. Protect your time, stay consistent, at isang araw mapapansin mo na lang yung maliit na daily habit mo ang bumuo ng freelancing career mo. I'm Chris. Follow for practical freelancing and online business tips that help you land clients and grow your income.